Today we're going to be looking at ancient Greece and the Aegean world. Now ancient Greece is located on the European mainland. Let's examine the geography at first. It is located on Europe, which is a continent. It is on the northeastern shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Here's the Mediterranean. There are no great rivers to create that layer of silt like ancient Mesopotamia's Tigris and Euphrates River, or ancient Egypt with the Nile River. But what it did have, that it was located on a peninsula, which is water on three sides. You can see to the east the Aegean Sea, to the south the Mediterranean Sea, and to the west the Ionian Sea. You can also see in Greece that 3/4 of Greece, or 75%, is covered by mountains or hills. Now let's examine western Greece, close to the Ionian Sea. It is mostly mountainous. To travel, the land is difficult. It is not fertile land, and farmers usually would herd goats and sheep on this land. Eastern Greece is more suitable for farming. That is near the Aegean Sea. The farmland is there's farmland on the peninsula of Attica, which is located here. Attica provides also natural harbors, and Peloponnese, which is the large peninsula to the south, right here, is very mountainous region outlined by a thin layer of fertile soil. And the region also has a few rivers, but they do dry up in the summer. Now let's examine the climate of this region. It did present a challenge for the farmers. The summers were hot and dry, and the winters were wet and windy. The ancient Greeks then had to adapt to their environment. They raised crops and animals that suited the environment. The crops they raised were wheat, barley, olives, and grapes. And they herded sheep, goats, and cattle. Now, for their economy, how have they made their money? Well, since farming didn't produce a surplus of crops, and the terrain was very difficult to cross, the Greeks depended on the sea. So again, they're adapting and they're using what they have. Remember, Greece was a peninsula, water on three sides. So some of their jobs or occupations were fishermen, sailors, and merchants. Greece's location was perfect for trading since it was so close to the Mediterranean Sea, and their sailors were highly skilled and traded even with Egypt. Greek merchants traded even with other Mediterranean cultures, and people loved Greece's olive oil. They used it to flavor food, they used it for lamp fuel, and even body lotion.